Welcome to OT Tricks and Tips for Kids, where we're taking OT to the next level. My name is Katina Lottis. Remember, if you don't see your topic, just write in so that I can address it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's take a look at a problem solution video. This tip is for sensory seekers and what you can do to provide more sensory feedback to a child throughout their day. Remember that sensory stimulation is often very calming and can help kids focus. So this tip can be used during homework times or any other time that a child is writing. You can use a weighted pencil to help achieve more sensory feedback to a child during a writing task. You can turn any ordinary pencil or pen into a weighted instrument simply by using a little weight. I will post a direct link on otkidsmath.com so you can take a look at this product and its reviews. This is very simple to use. All you do is take the little rubber ring that comes with the kit and you put it onto the pencil, and then you take your weight and you pop it on, and then you take another rubber ring, and this will serve to secure the weight. And that is it. So it is that simple. Now the pencil is weighted. You can put the weight at the top, you can put it in the middle, you can put it at the bottom, just depending on what the child prefers and how they like to hold their pencil. Some kids might like to have it here where the weight is resting on the hand. So that's often a comfortable position. But again, just experiment with it and give this one a try.